Hello, welcome you all. I want to use this medium to thank you guys, all of you that subscribe to my channel. Love you guys, thank you very much. Happy New Year in advance, you all. Happy New Year. Please, guys, I would like us to have the courage to be patient with us. For all of you that are losing money elsewhere, please join our channel, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel. There is hope, guys. There is hope. There is hope for a recovery. There is hope for a recovery. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Join our WhatsApp. Join our Telegram link, our free VIP signals, and so forth and so on. Welcome you all. Please be blessed as you watch. Guys, hello guys. Welcome. This is Anchor FX. So guys, we are here again. We're here to teach you and to educate you on how to open a trade, a successful trade that will profit you. So guys, welcome once more. This is our account. We opened that we opened. This is our account. Can you look at our trade that we just went in? Look at our profit. This is our account. So now, before going much further, let me teach you how to analyze and make a successful entry. Look at 1 minute time frame. This range break 200 index, 1 minute time frame. Look at it. Look at 5 minutes time frame, is saying buy. 15 minutes time frame is saying buy, and your 30 minutes time frame is saying buy, all at the same time. So with this, guys, that's how you analyze. This is a simple way to analyze your trade. For those of you that has been following that has been following us in our channel, look at it. That's just the way. This is a buy market. You first of all, you check from your 5 minutes time frame, check in your 15 minutes time frame, buy, 30 minutes time frame, buy, 1 hour time frame, same buy. So that's it, guys. So guys, we offer account management, VIP signals, and mentorship, and we do offer robot too. So guys, please give us a thumbs up, message us on our WhatsApp group, and join our Telegram group for free, guys, for free. So guys, this is it. If there's any question that you want to ask, please message us. Ask your question, and surely you will be answered. If it's about how to manage your account, please go on, ask your question. Verily you will be answered. So guys, hope you understand what I meant. Right? So that's a way to analyze your trade before entering. You don't just enter your trade without a good analyzation. So this way is a way for a layman to understand his or her trade when about to enter. So guys, let me go to the settings so that you will understand and know, and look at how I set up my indicator for you to do the same in yours, to understand how to analyze and enter the trade the same way I do. So let's go to our indicator. Main chart, we have a moving average, period distance, shift to 0, method is simple, apply to close, ties. So let's go to our indicator. Main chart, we have a moving average, period distance, shift to 0, method is simple, apply to close, ties the strip is saw, level is nil. Then let's go to our relative strength index. Period is 14, apply to close, tie is 1 pixel, level is 90, 10, 50. Let's go to our MACD. MACD is fast EMA is 12, slow EMA is 26, MACD MACD SMA is 1, apply to close, style main 2 pixel, then signal is 4 pixel, level is nil. So guys, please subscribe to our channel, follow us up on our Telegram group so that you'll be participating on the free signal delivery. We do deliver free signal, guys, and surely it will profit you. So please guys, follow us, subscribe to our channel so that you'll be the first to get notified when we post another of our video. So please guys, Anchor FS is here for you. So guys, do not forward this video to your friend, your family, your loved ones, so that they'll all make money as you do. So guys, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Look at our profit we made. So guys, look at our profit we made, guys. Look at our profit we made. Look at our profit we made. Look at our profit we made. Look at our profit we made in the last in the last week. $198. Look at our profits. Look at our profits. So let's come on this week. Today, look at our profits. Look at our profits. We are about making more, guys. We are about making more. So guys, please give us a thumbs up. Follow us up on our WhatsApp group. Message us if you have any question, and surely we'll answer you guys. Thank you very much. This is Anchor FX. Anchor FX is here for you guys. Thank you so much. Love you all. See you next time.